Do you really need to crack your back to make you feel better? Let's bust the myth. That popping sound isn't bones moving out of its place. It's actually gas bubbles escaping from the joints, which is a natural and a safer process. It is relieving as it stretches the joint capsule and releases tension, but it doesn't realign your spine. Forcing your back to crack repeatedly or twisting your spine too far can damage not only your nerves but your ligaments as well as the muscles. Instead, try doing controlled mobility exercises and stretches like foam rolling or spinal rotations. If cracking is your only option or if the pain worsens, see a functional manual therapist at Vardhan.